Modern kitchen decor represents the perfect balance between style, efficiency, and simplicity. In today's homes, the kitchen is no longer just a place for cooking. It has become the heart of the home, a space where family members gather, conversations happen, and creativity comes to life. A modern kitchen reflects a lifestyle that values both beauty and practicality. Clean lines, thoughtful design, and smart use of space all work together to create an environment that feels fresh, organized, and welcoming. One of the defining characteristics of modern kitchen decor is simplicity. Instead of overcrowded shelves or heavy ornamentation, modern kitchens embrace a clean and uncluttered look. Cabinets often feature smooth surfaces with minimal handles, creating a seamless appearance that feels calm and refined. Neutral colors such as white, gray, black, and soft beige dominate the palette, giving the space a timeless and elegant atmosphere. These colors also allow other design elements, such as lighting or decorative accessories, to stand out without overwhelming the room. Lighting plays an essential role in shaping the mood and functionality of a modern kitchen. Large windows are often used to allow natural light to fill the room, making the space feel bright and open. During the evening, carefully chosen lighting fixtures take center stage. Pendant lights above a kitchen island or dining area can add a touch of style while providing focused illumination. Under-cabinet lighting is another popular feature, helping to brighten countertops and create a warm glow that enhances the overall ambience. The materials used in modern kitchen decor are selected for both beauty and durability. Smooth stone countertops, polished marble surfaces, and sleek quartz finishes provide a luxurious yet practical workspace. Stainless steel appliances contribute to the modern aesthetic while also offering reliability and performance. Wood elements are often introduced through cabinets, shelving, or flooring to soften the look and bring warmth to the design. The contrast between natural wood and polished surfaces creates a balanced and visually pleasing environment. Another important feature of modern kitchen decor is the emphasis on smart organization. Storage solutions are carefully designed to keep the space tidy and efficient. Deep drawers, hidden cabinets, and pull-out shelves allow homeowners to store utensils, cookware, and ingredients in an organized way. This thoughtful approach to storage helps maintain the clean and minimalist appearance that defines modern design. When everything has its place, the kitchen becomes easier to use and more enjoyable to spend time in. Kitchen islands have become a central element in many modern kitchens. These multifunctional spaces serve as preparation areas, dining spots, and social hubs all at once. A beautifully designed island can anchor the entire room, providing additional workspace while encouraging interaction between family members and guests. Some islands include built-in sinks, cooktops, or extra storage, making them both stylish and highly practical. Color accents can also play a subtle yet powerful role in modern kitchen decor. While the main color scheme often remains neutral, small touches of color can add personality and vibrancy. Decorative bowls filled with fresh fruit, indoor herbs in stylish pots, or colorful kitchen utensils can bring life to the space. Even a single piece of wall art or a patterned backsplash can introduce character without disrupting the overall harmony of the design. Modern kitchens also embrace the idea of open space. Many contemporary homes feature open-plan layouts where the kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas. This design approach makes the kitchen feel larger and more connected to the rest of the home. It allows people to cook, dine, and socialize in the same space, strengthening the sense of togetherness within the household. Technology has also become an important part of modern kitchen decor. Smart appliances, touchless faucets, and energy-efficient lighting systems are increasingly common. These innovations make everyday tasks easier while also contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. The integration of technology within a clean and elegant design reflects the modern desire for convenience without sacrificing style. Decorative details, though minimal, are carefully chosen to enhance the kitchen's atmosphere. A stylish vase with fresh flowers on the countertop, a wooden cutting board displayed against the backsplash, or a set of neatly arranged ceramic jars can add charm and personality. In modern decor, every object has a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic rather than creating visual clutter. Another beautiful element often found in modern kitchens is the use of natural textures. Stone, wood, and ceramic materials create a connection to nature that balances the sleek appearance of modern design. These textures add depth and warmth, ensuring the kitchen feels comfortable and inviting rather than cold or overly industrial. Plants and greenery are also becoming increasingly popular in modern kitchen decor. Small potted herbs such as basil, mint, or rosemary can sit on a windowsill, adding both beauty and practicality. Larger indoor plants placed in corners or on shelves introduce freshness and a touch of life to the room. These natural elements help create a peaceful environment where cooking and gathering feel even more enjoyable. A modern kitchen is not only about appearance, but also about creating a functional and inspiring space. When the layout is well designed, movement between the stove, sink, and refrigerator becomes smooth and efficient. This thoughtful arrangement, often called the kitchen work triangle, ensures that cooking tasks can be completed comfortably without unnecessary steps. Ultimately, modern kitchen decor celebrates the idea that everyday spaces deserve thoughtful design. Through clean lines, balanced colors, smart storage, and carefully selected materials, a modern kitchen becomes both a practical workspace and a beautiful part of the home. It is a place where meals are prepared, stories are shared, and memories are created. In the end, the beauty of a modern kitchen lies in its harmony. Every element, from the lighting and cabinets to the smallest decorative detail, works together to create a space that feels calm, stylish, and welcoming. Whether used for cooking a quick breakfast or hosting a lively dinner with friends, a well-designed modern kitchen transforms ordinary moments into enjoyable experiences, making it one of the most cherished spaces in any home.